my loves, and welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? I hope you guys are having a beautiful and blessed day. So let's get this tutorial started. I actually wanted to try this palette right here, and this one is a stunning palette. And you guys, it was only, let me remove my hair, you guys. Apenas me bañé like not too long ago, so excuse my greñero I have going on. I'm gonna come in with my e.l.f. putty primer, come in with my LA Girl Pro Coverage foundation right here with this brush. This one is the Koki, I believe. So I actually wanted to try this product out. This one is from Morphe and it's called the Art Obsession, and this one is a five-piece brown kit, and it's in the color Java. So it comes with the brow pencil. So we are done with our brows. Now I'm going to clean up underneath my brows. I'm going to be coming in with my Maybelline concealer, and this one is in the color medium. Same brush. This one is from Anastasia. It's the ones that come with the eyeshadow palettes. And I'm going to be getting this cream color right here, and I'm going to be setting that all over my lid. I normally do not set my lid. I'm just going to add that today over my lid. I will be coming in with this color right here, having a little bit of the excess out and adding it on my crease, and then just blending it. So far it's blending good. It doesn't feel like chalky or anything like that whatsoever, and I'm loving it. This brush from Wet n Wild, this color right here, and then we're gonna add it right here, like on our crease, a little bit below our crease. This palette doesn't even feel like it's $1, you guys. That's even crazier. I'm gonna be coming in with this brush. This one is from Sonia. I want to be coming in with one of these dark colors. I'm going to be coming in with this color right here. It is glittery, but I think it's perfect for Thanksgiving. But I'm going to grab a spoolie or spatula that comes in with the palette, and I'm just going to add it like that, you guys. I am like amazed how this color is looking, you guys. So now I'm going to come in with the same brush, just add it here and just blend these two together. And once we have our lashes, you guys, it's gonna look bomb. The color right here, and I'm gonna add that to my brow bone. So we're just gonna add it to our brow bone. Oh damn, I need to blend that. It's a little harsh. So you guys, the falsies I ended up getting at the Dollar General, you guys, I got these, you guys, they're $1, so I wanted to give these a try. So these are the lashes, you guys. I think they're pretty good for $1. They're okay, they're like natural and kind of long. With this Kat Von D, and this is in the number 10 brush. Okay, just like that. So I'm gonna be coming in with my Too Faced setting powder. So I am coming in with my Beat Up palette. It is Beat Up because I do use it a lot. I'm coming in with this brush right here, the bronzer from right here. I'll go ahead and bronze up on my face. The same brush, grabbing on this blush right here. This one is the Rodeo Drive highlighter, and I'm going to use this one to highlight. This color right here, put that underneath. Oh Lord, look at how pigmented that is. And then we're going to blend it out. This a dark color right here. add some mascara. My bottom lashes, my Badescu. I'm gonna be coming in with this one right here. This is the Kat Von D, and it's the Lolita 2. So you guys, this is the finished look. What do you guys think? I absolutely love this palette, you guys, and it's only $1, you guys, like $1. Palette, you can achieve your perfect Thanksgiving makeup look. It's a very good deal. The quality is nice. It does get a little bit fallout, which is kind of normal. I even still get some fallout on my eyeshadow palettes that are worth a little bit more, $1. And you can achieve the same look or a different look. If you guys love this tutorial, and if you guys did, don't forget to subscribe, comment. So yes, I hope you guys have a beautiful and blessed day, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye.